Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, and we increased them in guidance. Surah Al-Kahf, verse 13. And increases the faith of the believers. Surah Al-Mudassir, verse 31. This day I have perfected your religion. Surah Al-Ma'idah, verse 3. When something is left from the perfect, it remains defective, incomplete. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu reports that Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, that person would be taken out of hell who said, La ilaha illallah. There is no worthy of worship saves Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And his heart had goodness equal to the weight of barley. And that person would also be taken out from hell who said, La ilaha illallah. There is no worthy of worship except Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And his heart possessed goodness equal to the grain of wheat, and that person would also be drawn out from hell, who said, La ilaha illallah. There is no worthy of worship but Allah, and his heart had goodness equal to an atom's weight. Imam Bukhari rahmatullah alayhi said, Aban said, Qatada narrated hadith to us. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu reported faith instead of goodness from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 44.